Welcome back to Fred Jr.'s Garage, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of that low coolant light on your Duramax truck without replacing the entire coolant tank. In fact, we're just going to be using one of these Doorman connectors. Let's show you how we're going to do it. All right, we've got our connector, and we've got a couple other tools that we're going to need to make this happen, but this is pretty easy and pretty straightforward. You're going to need a pair of wire crimpers, a wire crimp nut, we've got our razor blade, and a small plier needle nose pliers. Let's show you how we make this work. Look at both ends of our connectors, and this is the one that we are going to need. And you can kind of see in there. The plastic divider in here needs to be removed for our application. So we're going to take a razor blade and carefully cut along the back side of this, and then use our pliers to take this out. I'll leave an affiliate link for this connector in the description below. And we're going to grab a hold of it with our pliers, wiggle it around a little bit, and our plastic divider comes right out. And now that we have our plastic divider removed, that's what it looks like. They even have the wires on this pre-cut, so you just grab the ends of them, take those right off. We're going to twist them together, just like so. Put our wire nut on there, and crimp it together. That's all that it takes to fix this problem of the low coolant light on these trucks, is just connecting the two pins together. And you'll never see that service message again. Just check your coolant once in a while. You can also opt to put some heat shrink on there to make sure that it's weatherproof. We don't exactly live in a wet environment, so I'm not too concerned about it, but that's a good option as well. And there it goes. There's our low coolant level. Let's go plug in this connector and see if it makes a difference. All right, here's our coolant tank. And this part's kind of hard to see, but you can see that right there. That's our wiring harness that we're going for, and it's just clipped into the bottom of this tank. Let's go ahead and unclip this, and we'll show you what's going on here. Now this is the connector that normally connects to our low coolant level sensor. And we've got our pigtail. Let's clip this in, tuck this back down in there somewhere. Now that we've got that laying there, let's go see if this thing still trips the light. And just like that, no more low coolant light. If you like this kind of content, make sure you like and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video.